Welcome to my 3 dimensions. This is the tutorial part 1 for OpenSCAD. So this video I will just show you the basic shapes 2D and 3D and the basic orientation of the OpenSCAD. OpenSCAD is more of a technical based 3D designing software rather than SketchUp. SketchUp has more of a artistical feel to it. So for here basically the basic view, this is it. I know I use the word basic a lot, but that's what my whole videos are about, the basics of 3D designing. So first, we have the new button. Will help you open the new file, open to open a previous file, save, read, undo, redo, basic alignment, preview, and render. And this is the export as STL file. We will talk about that in the next video. Over here, we have the similar preview, render, zoom in, zoom out, the different orientations again. The click here to scale and accesses and show the edges. This is just the basic viewing window for the file. So we'll start with the basic 2D shapes, a square and a circle. So first we'll do a circle. Just type in circle with the diameter equal to 3 and always end with a semicolon. So I misspelled circle. So if you see, this doesn't give you a good, it's more of a polygon than a circle. So this is why, because a preview rendering will give you a basic. Oh yeah, sorry. So first we need to this in quite few fragments. So first I'll just show you how to increase the number of fragments for it. Fragments is the number of sides. So you can always just start with $fn equals to 100. So this will just make your circles and cylinders more smoother. See, it won't really affect anything else. So this is always good to just have a smooth circle. You can even keep it 50. See the difference? Hardly any. Just a small number increase. If I keep it 5, we get a polygon. And it goes on and on. So just you could keep it 100 to be safe. Next we have the square. Again, see, this is what happens when you preview it. And now when you render it. To make it into a rectangle, you just need to put square brackets and the different dimensions. So the x-axis and y-axis. We'll keep it 4 by 10. The other thing about rendering and previewing is when you make a few changes in a small code, if you're a big code, then previewing it will give it to you instantly. Rendering will take time. So it's not advisable to render it all the time. Right now we just have 1 or 2 shapes. That's why it's happening very quickly. So once you'll notice that once we add too many commands, the size will increase. So now let's go to the 3D bit. This is a 3D designing software. So first, again, we'll start with the sphere. Radius equals to 5. See, this is sphere. The center will always remain to the center 0. So like in the next video, I will show you the basic translations and different other functions also. So then just you can type in cube for this is the preview. Now when you render it, it's more realistic feel. So same thing over here, like I told you before, for making it a cuboid. All you need to do is put a square bracket, x, y, and z will give it 10. See, I'll just show you how to make a cylinder as the last shape. Again, just with first you'll type out the height equals to 10, comma the radius or the diameter. So you could do diameter equals to 10 also. Or you can even change it to radius. So basic radius is half the diameter. So we'll say the same. So that's it for this video. I'll come quite soon next time for the next video with the transformations. So see you until next time. Thank you.